So in 2021, for our John Deere 7 and 8 series tractors with the optional IVT transmission, you can now equip the tractor with CommandPRO. Let's jump up in the cab and see how CommandPRO will function on your tractor. So we've entered a cab of a tractor that is equipped with an IVT transmission and the CommandPRO handle. So let's begin by starting our tractor. We'll allow the machine to generate up the display, acknowledge our auto track warning, and it will come to a control setup page. We'll be going into this in more detail on another video, but to demonstrate the functionality, we're going to activate the custom settings for this video's purpose. By activating, our green lights and our control functions become live. To start with, we're going to go into our transmission page either through the shortcut key, the menu, or simply hitting on our transmission. We're going to deal with our forward and reverse functioning, setting our maximum set speed. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to adjust this down to 5 miles per hour. Then we also have two other set speeds. In this case, I'm going to put set speed number 2 at 2.5 miles per hour, and I will leave set speed 1 already entered at 1 mile per hour. Set speeds can also be set once activated by holding a desired set speed or using the set speed scroll function. Let's talk a little bit about the handle. It always comes back into a neutral position. It sensed that I wanted to move this tractor, and we'll get into the activation button in a little bit. Some of the buttons on here, this is an aggressiveness setting of low, medium, and high, which basically means how aggressively from ground or stop zero to our full set speed, desired speed, how aggressively that tractor will return to that. We have a selection of set speeds and programmable buttons, a total of 11 on the front and on the top side that we'll get into in another video. We have a park button on this tractor. We can lock out our hydraulic functions, and on a tractor that say you need to have in neutral for unfolding a planter, you can also put the tractor in neutral. You may have noticed that it's shifted and rolled. It is now able to move if your planter so needs it to. So we're in park. Anytime you want to engage a forward or reverse motion, you need to activate the switch on the back side, and in order to go forward, simply move the handle forward. And it will go to where you detected it to go. I'm on low throttle, and by bumping it, it will increase the speed. If I go to full detent, it will take off to our targeted 5 miles per hour. By pulling back, I can slow the vehicle down, or by clicking it all the way back, it will stop the tractor. If I want to go forward, or reverse, activate the button, pull backward, and it will take off backward. I can control the speed, or I can click backward and go to my set reverse speed. If I want the tractor to stop, I push forward. Clicking it all the way into detent for, call it power 0. There's a creeper function on this tractor By pulling it in and pushing forward, I can inch the tractor forward, or I can inch the tractor backwards. And if you're in a field situation, and in demonstration purposes, I will activate a preset. I will activate forward motion, hit my number 1 setting, and to activate it, I hit move it to the right. If I want to hit my second one, it will go to that setting. If I want to override that, I can touch my brakes, I can move my handle, I can go to detent. Pretty simple functioning, all in one single lever control. For more details on CommandPRO with IVT, reach out to us at Leading Edge Equipment in Devils Lake, Michigan, Carrington, and Hamden.